So how to factory reset on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Open up your setting, then go to about phone, then you can see the reset option. Press on reset all setting or factory data reset. Press on reset. Now enter your and press on delete all. Now you have to wait couple of seconds to complete the process. So once done, your phone automatically restart again. Now you have to set up your phone again. Agree all, agree, setup manual, skip, and you can set your password or skip anyway. Now select your dark or light. I'm selecting the light option. Now done. Your phone is ready to use now. And fresh. And once you connect your Wi-Fi or internet option, then all options are automatically enabled. Let's check connecting the Wi-Fi. You see, and once within couple of minutes, all software will be recovered. So that's it. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.